Hello everybody, I'm out this morning. I have to see if I can find something to do for a video. I'm on my own, just popped out for an hour, that's all. Plodding along. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording, I can't see with these glasses on. Yeah, I'm just seeing a couple of shops and see what happens, I suppose. Lovely day. So I thought I'd pop out and have a look. I don't know what I want to do for a video yet, but I'll find something, no doubt. Oh, got a road closed there. Okay. Okay. Let me have a look. What's going on? Let me have a look. What's on here today, mate? What's on here today?
What's on here? The market. Yeah.
Food market, is that today, is it? Oh, lovely. We have got the food market on. So there we go, there's a video. Let me have a pop around and have a look. It's early in the morning as well. Anyone for hot dogs? Oh, they look nice, don't they? Oh, look at them. Beauties. I didn't know this was on today. Yeah, I might have to try and get some for tea then now. I don't have no burgers or anything this time of morning. A bit mad, wasn't it? Famous beef kebab wraps. Served with salad sauce and homemade wrap. Chicken kebab wraps, mixed kebab wraps, special, vegan. Oh yes. Nice, doesn't it? Those kebabs there, tenner. These are expensive though, ain't they, these places? They always are. Not very busy actually, mind you, it's early in the morning. I'm on my gimbal and it's mind of its own at the minute. There we go. Yeah, they're expensive, ain't they, these places? I'm not sure what time it closes, maybe. I think it's probably 5, 6 o'clock, I think. Grilled cheese. We will have a look. Put my glasses on while I'm going into the sun because of my eyes. I bought when I went to the opticians, I think last year or the year before, about my eyes again. Oh yeah, look, let me show you this. There you go. That's what I've done the other day, if you can remember. I can't pronounce the word. Look a lot better than mine, don't they? Look a lot better than mine. That's how the pros do it for you. The crafty Greek. Yeah, when I went to the opticians, they told me to get one of these masks things for my eyes. I completely forgot about it. And I got one the other day. I got it off Amazon, tenner. Put them in the microwave and they eat up. Like dry eyes and damaged eyes and all that stuff. And I got one of them and it seems to be working, but it takes a bit of time for it to work, so hopefully it'll sort my eyes out a bit. You have to put it on for 10 minutes a day or something. 10 minutes a time, twice a day. Yeah, so I bought one of them and it seems to be doing the trick at the minute, but we'll see what happens with it. There's nothing around here. Let's go down the other section and see. Yeah, it's not very big. It might be busy down the other bit, but it's not busy on this bit. The only problem with this gimbal, I have to keep stopping the recording to flick the camera around. So it just means a lot more editing, which is a bit of a pain. And I don't know what it does. I usually should be able to flick the camera, but it won't allow me to. Glasses on, coming into the sun. have a look. Hello, Bob. Louisiana wraps. New York wraps. Florida wraps. See the prices, guys. See the prices. That's what these places are all about, isn't it? Oh, let me just pop in there, see if they've got any tickets left for the Bowers. Yeah, got some in. Oops. Gimbal's going all over the place again. Come on, there we go. Yeah, they've got some in. It's £4 on the gate of the Bower, the Lichfield Bower. But you can get them from there for £2.50. So I just got 3. Me and Nat and the lad that's come back from the army next Friday. It's on a bank holiday Monday. So, a week Monday it's on. And I will be live streaming it. Fingers weather permitted. If the weather's nice, I'll be live streaming it. I did last year. I'm hoping the signal's going to be okay. But yeah, it's pretty good sometimes. Sometimes it can be a bit rubbish. Sometimes it can be okay. Motorbike stunts and all that stuff. But that'll be done a week Monday, bank holiday Monday. If I can't live stream it, I'll video it, depending on what the weather's like and how the signal is, because we know what happened last time we done it in town. Yeah, so let's have a pop down here. Let's have a look. Look at that beauty, look. Oh. What time's it closed today? Do you know?
We'll be here to the end, so...
You'll be here to the end?
Yeah, so it's like 5, 6 o'clock.
Right, I might come and get some off you then later on. Look at that. Oh yeah, I might come and get one of them later then if I've got time. We'll have a look. It's not a lot here actually to that. There is still a few huts setting up. Bacon and sausage in a roll, £4. Philly cheese steak, bacon, fries, drinks, breakfast, bap. 2 bacon, 1 sausage, 1 egg, £7. Let me show you. Guys, we've got loads of different spices here. I've just tried some. I've just tried some of that one there. Delicious. Loads of different spices, look. I didn't know it was on today. I've come down to do some shopping and I've seen it on and I thought could have made a day of it and come a bit late and had something to eat and everything. It's on tomorrow as well. Oh, okay. Let's try a bit of this jerk. See what that's like. Do you like a bit of jerk? Yep, there we go. It is cold. There's the website address, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Want to have yourselves a look? Just recorded some down there. I don't know if I'll be able to upload it because of the music playing. I'll see if I can or not, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, there's not a lot here really. There's not a lot here, but they're here tomorrow as well. So, mind we've got visitors tomorrow, so might be able to pop down in the morning, I suppose. But there's not a lot here at the minute, to be honest with you. Well, I've never seen it advertised or nothing, so I don't know whether what happens. Right, I think this bit down here is just beer, and I don't drink, so burgers and sausages there. Yeah, there's nothing here. Not very good, guys, this year. Nothing there. There was more last year, far more. Yeah, I don't know, maybe the prices. Well expensive, ain't it? £7 for a sausage and egg sandwich. Bacon sausage and egg, was it? Is that what it was? £7. Yeah? I get a couple of bacon with it though. No thank you. What we got down here? Let me have a look. Let me have a look what we got down here.
Yeah, on the same screen too.
Nice, doesn't it? Yeah, down the bottom there is it's music and that's why I can't really record it. I know you just get tucked down. If it's like a busker or something, you're fine, but it's like a radio or their phone, you know, so the music, so I can't really record it. Yeah, there's nothing else there. It's all gone. See if there's anything down the last street. We will have a look. What a great day today. Well warm. It's well warm. It's definitely pub weather today, guys. Definitely pub weather. This is the sort of weather where I wish I drank. Definitely. Nice Magners now in the beer garden. You can go well away. Don't know what it is by you. It's boiling off here. Hello, mate. You okay? Good. Looking nice, mate, these.
Thank you very much.
You're looking very nice. How long does it take you to cook them?
They cook very slowly for about 3 hours.
Is that all? I thought it'd be longer than that.
Well, it's because that's ribeye steak. The brisket, that's been cooked in 18 hours.
18 hours?
Yeah. So we cook these for about 3 hours, so they're blackened on the outside.
And nice and juicy.
But still absolutely pink in the middle.
Oh, bang on. Ooh. So that's it, guys. Nothing here really. Bit of a shame. And it's early, as I say, so I'm not getting nothing. I'm not having a big burger and everything this time of morning. No chance. I feel lethargic all day if I have that. But yeah, well, that's a video, innit? Walk around and have a look. There's not a lot to look at, but a bit of a vid, innit? Just a shame that there's not more here. And that never done any advertising, I suppose, because I've never seen it at all. And we're in town all the time, Nat and I are, so there's no signposts or nothing. So, I don't know. Yeah, well, there we go. That'll do, instead of, yeah, I'm not taste testing anything, there's no point, too early. I might pop down and get something later if I've got time. I don't know what time it closes. He just said he's here till the very end, he didn't say what time. If I fancy something for tea or something. Oh, dog poo. Nice one to pick the poo up, ain't it, mate, eh? Never mind. Yeah, so I'll pop down maybe at tea time and see if it's still open, I'm not sure. Might get things a bit cheaper then and all, mightn't you? But we'll have a look, eh? So I'll either see you later with a little taste of something, or I'll see you on the next video. Just filming around the town. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I didn't know it was on. How are you, mate? You okay?
Yeah.
How are you, mate? You alright? What are you doing here?
Waiting for sure.
Ah. Oh, not dentist. So our dentist as well, that is. Good dentist, that. What are you up to today, then?
Play some football.
Huh?
Play football or something.
Oh, yeah. Right over the Beacon Park?
Yeah.
How far away is that?
Literally just down there.
Yes, 5-minute walk. 5-minute walk. All right, lads, behave yourselves, yeah? I'll see you later. My son and his mates, dossing around, going to play footy. I don't blame him this weather. Yeah, so I didn't know I was recording that bit. I don't think I got them on anyway. Yeah, so till the next time. Oh, actually, there's a little bit up here. Let me have a look at this little bit up here. No, there's nothing here, guys. I thought usually all up this street as well. Nothing here. You've got some sort of celebrity thing here. Can't show you because of the kids. Something to do with outside entertainment, is it? What is it called? Entertainer. Obviously something where the kids all watch. Kids are all around there. Yeah, so that'll be it then, guys. Not a lot here. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.